Many people confuse those two Chinese words, 没 and 不. They both mean not, but we use them in very different situations. Let me explain today. 没 means didn't or haven't. We use 没 when we talk about something that already happened or didn't happen, or something that haven't happened yet. For example, 我没去学校. I didn't go to school. 他没看电影. He didn't watch the movie. 我没吃早饭. I haven't eaten breakfast. 他没来. She didn't come. 我没做作业. I haven't done my homework. Think of 没 as talking about the past or completed actions. You can also use 没 for things that didn't happen up to now, like I haven't seen that movie. 我没看过那部电影. And 不 means don't or doesn't. We use 不 when we talk about something you usually do not do. You decide not to do now, or you will not do in the future. For example, 我不喝咖啡. I don't drink coffee. 他不玩游戏. He doesn't play games. 我不吃辣. I don't eat spicy food. 他不来学校. She doesn't come to school. 我不说谎. I don't lie. Think of 不 as talking about habits, repeated actions, or future choices. 不 is for things that you don't do in general, not necessarily about the past. Remember, 没 past, completed. 不 habit, future.